guys, welcome back to my channel. What's popping? So I'm going out with friends tonight to a little karaoke birthday party, and I kind of just did my face in this cute little brown subtle look. If you guys are interested in how I got the look, well then here's the video. I hope you guys do enjoy and stay tuned for more content. See ya. Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it, my mind, my mind, and my body. Say it, my mind, my mind, and my heart, my body. Say it, I don't know what it is, I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together?